with this witness. Are there additional questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
May I please the court?
Proceed.
Isn't Judy going over the line to the backyard what she does every day?
Yes.
You're going to use the money for Judy if any injuries come up, right?
Yes.
You saw Judy got struck, right? Not here.
Yes.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Any recross?
Yes. May I inquire?
Yes.
In your affidavit, you said, all I heard was the sound of the 7-iron as it smashed into my daughter's lovely face. So you heard it, is that right?
Yes.
So, you heard it and you saw it, is that
Yes.
right? Okay. And all the leftover money, you're going to control what happens to it, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I'm not here.
You may step down. Does the plaintiff have any additional witnesses to call?
Yes, I called Jimmy
Does the
Laws.
plaintiff have any additional witnesses to call?
No,
Does the
Your
plaintiff
Honor.
rest? Plaintiff rests. Defense, your case. Call your witness.
I called Jimmy Wells Jr.
Is Jimmy Wells Jr. in the courtroom?
Yes.
Do you solemnly swear the testimony about the given this matter heard at the 11th of December in the year 2011 the Olive Children Foundation Civil Court is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Please take a seat. You may proceed.
May it please the court. Please state your name for the court.
I am Jimmy Wells Jr.
How old are you, Jimmy?
I am 10 years old.
Do you know Judith Lubitz?
Yes, she's my neighbor and we're a very close friend.
What were you doing on the afternoon that Judith came into your backyard?
I was playing a game I invented called Stone Golf when Judy came over.
Can you describe for the court how you play stone golf?
I play stone golf by using a golf club to swing a small stone and knock them into the creek down the hill.
Jimmy, why don't you just go play real golf on a nearby golf course?
I don't play golf on a nearby golf course because the adults don't let me.
Jimmy, did you hear Judith walking towards you while you were playing stone golf?
I did not hear Judy walk towards me.
Jimmy, did you see Judith coming towards you while you were playing stone golf that day?
No, I did not see Judy coming towards me, probably because I was concentrating on my shot.
Jimmy, did you hear Judith say anything to you as you were swinging at the stones that afternoon?
No, I did not hear Judy say anything.
Jimmy, what happened when you swung that golf club?
When I swung that golf club, I accidentally caught Judy on the chin.
Jimmy, who do those golf clubs belong to?
Those golf clubs belong to my father.
Did you have his permission to play stone golf in your backyard?
I had permission to play stone golf in our backyard.
Jimmy, did you know Judith was coming over to play with you that afternoon?
I did not know Judy was coming over to play with me.
When Judith does come over, how does she usually let you know she wants to play?
Usually when Judy comes over, she rings her doorbell.
Did Judith come to your front door and ring the doorbell that afternoon?
No, Judy did not ring our doorbell that afternoon.
Jimmy, if Judith had come over to your front door and rang your doorbell to call for you, what would you have done?
I would have put down my golf club, answered the door, and invited her to play stone golf with me.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Cross-examination?
May I inquire?
You may proceed.
You and Judy are neighbors, right? Yeah.
Isn't it fair to say that you and Judy are good friends?
Yes.
Isn't it true that you guys play with each other a lot?
Yes.
You were playing stone golf that day in your backyard, right?
Yes.
In your affidavit, you stated that you didn't hear or see Judy, right?
Yes.
You didn't hear her say hello?
No.
You didn't hear her asking what you wanted to do that day?
No.
Jimmy, you said that you were concentrating on your shot so much that you didn't hear anything?
Yeah, I was concentrating on my shot, so I couldn't hear anything.
So you didn't hear birds chirping?
Well, not in the background, I guess, but not really, yeah.
You didn't hear any cars going by?
No.
You didn't hear the wind blowing?
There was no one.
But what you did hear was the golf club smack Judy's face. You certainly heard that, didn't you?
Yes, because it's loud.
You said that the adults won't let you play in the golf courses in your affidavit, right?
Could
Can you repeat the question, please?
You said that the adults won't let you play in the golf courses in your affidavit, right?
Yes.
Your parents could have taken you to play golf, couldn't they?
Yeah, but they couldn't because they didn't allow it. So they need to.
But they could have if they wanted to, didn't they?
Yes, but they didn't allow it.
Are you saying that the golf course won't let you play golf there if you're accompanied by your parents?
Well, no, because they won't allow me to play golf there. Just parents back a couple times.
Children cannot play golf in public courses in your town?
I don't think the adults won't let me.
You don't know for sure, though.
Nothing.
Proceed.
Don't people usually learn to play golf in the golf course?
No, not really. Sometimes parents teach them.
But people usually do, don't they?
Not always.
Jimmy, is it fair to say that your backyard is not the best place to play golf?
Well, it's not the best place to play golf, but I play stone golf there. So I think
In golf courses, people are aware that they might get hit by a golf club, right?
well, not really, because each golf course is to yourself. So you don't really have to.
So the golf courses, there's only one person on each course?
Yes, or if you're friends, but usually not a lot of people.
So if there is a few people, they are aware that they might get hit, right?
Yes, because they don't have.
Are you saying that when people come to your backyard, they should be afraid of getting hit by a golf club because you play golf there?
No, I don't usually play golf there. I only play golf today.
But Judy Lubitz got hit by a golf club in your backyard, isn't that a fact?
Yes, I remember.
So you're telling this court that your backyard is a very dangerous place, isn't that a fact?
No.
But Judy Lubitz got hit there, just like in regular golf courses.
If one person gets hit there, it doesn't mean that everyone who comes in gets hit there.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. Redirect.
May I inquire?
You may inquire with the redirect.
Your parents wouldn't take you to the golf course, is that right?
No, because the adults won't.
I'm sorry, I can't hear your answer.
Because the adults won't let me.
So the adults won't let you play on the golf course, right?
Yes.
And you can't play on, that's why you don't play golf on that golf course.
Yes.
So, if you knew Judy was there when you were playing golf, what would you have done?
I wanted to have Swansea Golf Club and asked her if she wanted to play golf.
Okay. So, if you knew Judy was there, you would be more careful, is that correct?
Of course.
Did you know Judy was there?
No, not at all.
So,
You can't do would, you have to do state the facts that happened then.
What is your objection now?
Speculation.
Sustained. I'm going to just have the jury disregard that last answer. It does call for speculation. Very well done. Proceed.
I'm not further questions here.
Any recross?
Yes. Your father won't let you go to the golf course, isn't that a fact?
Yes.
But he could have allowed you, because the golf course usually allows kids, don't they?
I'm not sure if they allow kids or not.
Think of all those golf stars. If they don't learn in the golf courses as kids, do they automatically turn into pros when they're adults?
Well, how do you know that they play golf as kids? Maybe they play golf when they're older, maybe like 12 or 14.
But
Maybe they play miniature golf courses.
Proceed. Your testimony is they may play miniature golf. Is that it?
Yes.
Proceed.
the miniature golf is not the same as regular golf, isn't it? In miniature in their backyard is not as good as the golf course, isn't it?
Yeah, because we can't do anything when kids aren't allowed.
If kids aren't allowed, then those pro golfers, they're usually pretty young, so they must have practice as kids, don't they?
Yes, but maybe our golf course doesn't allow others to do it.
I have no further questions, John.
You may step down. Does the defense have any further witnesses?
We have shown in court today that the Wells family is not responsible for any injuries sustained by Judy Lubitz. Knowing full well that her daughter, Judy, was trespassing onto Wells property, Sylvia Lubitz made no move to stop her. Your Honor, how can the Wells family have a duty to care for Judy if she trespasses and they have no idea that she's there? Your Honor, you heard Sylvia Lubitz tell this court that with all the windows open, she didn't hear anything Judy claimed to have said. Judy Lubitz took a great risk that day, standing within range of the swinging golf club. Your Honor, do you believe that the Wells family should be punished because even though Judy knew how dangerous a golf club could be, she still stood within range of it? Your Honor, the defendants, Jimmy Wells and James Wells Sr., are sorry that Judy was injured and offer their condolences. However, they are not the cause of Judy's injuries. Had Judy not trespassed, had her mother, Sylvia Lubitz, warned and stopped Judy, and had Judy stayed out of the golf club swinging range and notified Jimmy of her presence in his backyard, none of this would have happened. Judy was the cause of her own injuries. We ask the court to deny the request of the Lubitz family for both compensatory and punitive damages. Thank you.
Plaintiff, you get the last word.
We have proven the case in court today. The Wells family had a duty to make sure young Judy was safe from harm. We also have proven that the Wells family has failed in that duty. Mr. Wells allowed Jimmy to play golf in their backyard when there are golf courses nearby. Isn't it fair to say that most people go to golf courses to play golf? His father allowed Jimmy to swing a dangerous object. The golf club hit Judy in the face. Judy sustained serious injuries, which Judy and Sylvia Lubitz told you about. She was in pain when she went to the hospital, got out of the hospital, and even now, as she sits in court, she is still in pain. Your Honor, how can we believe Jimmy when he says that he didn't hear her coming? He didn't hear her say what she wanted to do for the day? He didn't hear any birds, cars, he didn't hear any wind? Your Honor, perhaps Jimmy Wells should see a hearing specialist. We ask the court to award the Lubitz family $15,000 for medical fees and $45,000 for punitive damages from the Wells family for the negligence on the part of Jimmy Wells Jr. and his father on the day in question. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Fact sheet for you.